Last time we had a slime bake-off, Anna beat me somehow. So today, I'm challenging her to a rematch.
Today's theme is pancakes. Hey, you have 20 minutes to make the best pancake themed slime. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh. I don't know which time to choose. Ooh, breakfast. It's breakfast. This is perfect. My pancake. Honey buttered rolls. Probably smells like a pancake, I think.
Now that the girls have their ingredients, it's time to hear their ideas for their slime.
I'm doing a thick and glossy base because I want it to be jiggly like a real pancake. For the clay, I'm gonna do a Mickey Mouse shaped pancake because my dad would always make those for me growing up. I would always bring him toys and he would make my pancakes shaped like my toys. But one time he made a really cursed Dora. It's time to make things right. I'm gonna put a little bit of the Buckeye Brown, and for the scent, I'm going for Breakfast Club because it's breakfast. And I'm gonna add these really cool googly eyes. Also, you might be wondering why I got these paints. I'm gonna draw a Mickey Mouse face on this clay. I'm gonna get really artsy with it.
So the inspiration behind my slime is also my dad's pancakes. Growing up, my dad would make gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free, sugar-free pancakes every Saturday, and they were really bad. So that's really the only thing that I have. So I'm going for a brown color from my pancake base to really capture the sad essence of those pancakes. And then I have some almond seeds because that's what he would add to the top. But then I have chocolate chips and jelly beans because that's what I always wanted to put on my pancakes as a kid. I'm scenting it with this honey buttered rolls. It actually doesn't smell sweet at all, so that's gonna be very similar to the pancakes I had growing up, so I think it will perfectly capture the essence that I'm going for. It's a little bit too ugly, so I'm gonna add some of this golden yellow in here, see if I can bring it to life a little bit.
Man, I don't know what this is. I was going more for like souffle pancakes vibes. Ooh, I think it needs yellow. Oh, I think a little bit this, sienna.
Looks like the Grand Canyon. We did have pancakes the morning we went to the Grand Canyon, so I feel like it works, actually.
I'm going for souffle pancakes. The consistency is like really jiggly and the color, it just looks like batter. That is what I'm going for, so I added more yellow and I think we're gonna need even more yellow. We need to get that batter color.
Are you doing mustard themed pancakes?
No, I'm doing souffle pancakes. What are the jelly beans for?
The jelly beans that you put on top of pancakes?
Yeah, I've never heard of that. That's super strange.
What's that turd for?
That is my Mickey Mouse.
That looks just like Mickey Mouse.
Look at this. You can't tell me this isn't souffle pancake. You can't tell me it's not. It even has the consistency.
Maybe you should try adding some water so they get it to be super jiggly.
I was gonna use this water for my paints, but you know what?
Yeah, go ahead and add it.
I wanna show you how it's done. Because you're right. They did add water, right? I think that's what they did. Thank you for helping me.
Is it working?
Yeah, it actually is.
Oh,
You're helping me win.
that's so good.
Dang it!
No! It's okay, you can do intestine pancakes.
I'm trying to do Mickey Mouse pancakes.
It looks like Mickey Mouse after you rip him open.
Aaron! Well, I am just adding more slime to it and not water. I just thought that Aaron was trying to sabotage me or something, so I freaked out.
I would never do that.
Wait, you're using real pancakes?
No? You have one on your counter, what are you talking
Yeah,
about?
but we're not supposed to use food.
But you have a pancake right there.
That was my snack.
Don't judge my pancake. You're gonna eat all of them?
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm doing.
I think we finally achieved the right consistency. Super jiggly, it looks like batter. It smells like breakfast. We're finally moving to the next step. Let's make Mickey Mouse.
I have my slime, I have my toppings, my pancake. I feel like I need something. Check it out, you guys. This looks exactly like syrup. Don't want Anna to see it because I know that if she sees this, she's gonna want to do the exact same thing. This is what's gonna get me the win.
I'd say we got a pretty good Mickey Mouse. It's time to paint. Can I actually have some of that?
Is that a turtle?
No, that's a Mickey Mouse.
That's crazy. It looks just like a turtle. Oh, you should probably focus on that.
It's okay, he's back. He's back and better, guys. Look, he's alive.
All right, Aaron, how's it going? Just checking in.
Very well. I got 3 pancakes going on. I got this secret ingredient that Anna does not know about. I even have a whipped cream topper.
Nice.
A bunch of different charms. And a swirl on the inside. So I feel like I've got this in the bag.
You know, there's only 5 minutes left.
Absolutely. I could do it in 2 minutes probably.
How's it going, Anna?
It's going good. Right now I'm painting Mickey Mouse's face and I'm giving him eyebrows because you never see Disney characters have thick brows, you know what I'm saying?
Very interesting googly eye choice.
Thank you.
Do you think you'll have enough time to finish?
Oh yeah, I'm almost done.
Are you sure? That's a lot of painting left.
I'm not in a rush.
Well, I'm happy that y'all are confident that you're gonna finish in time because you guys need to stop. We actually have a challenge.
Oh my gosh.
This is the Peachybbies juggling challenge. You each have 3 slimes that you have to juggle. You'll have 3 attempts to see how many catches you can have. Whoever has the most amount of catches gets to sabotage the other person's slime. In order for a successful catch to count, at least 1 slime needs to be in the air at all times. And after a quick juggling tutorial from Dan, it was time to see their juggling skills.
What? I don't know how to juggle. What do you mean I'm not doing it right?
Attempt number 2. Last attempt. This is my redemption. Here we go. I caught 2. I caught 2.
This challenge is rigged.
Well, that was the worst thing I've ever seen, but Aaron, you technically did win, so you get to sabotage Anna's slime.
Oh! Last week, I distinctly remember Anna making fun of me for having red hands all the time.
I've seen Aaron leave the warehouse with red stained hands like 5 times now.
And you know why that is? Because I'm a hard worker and I dye my slimes really well. I think maybe her Mickey Mouse and I have a lot in common, and he should have a little bit of red in his life too. That looks pretty good. It's more? You're right, a little bit more. Oh no, his eyes are filling with
Christian, I know you don't know how to juggle.
This is the best
This is
moment
so messed up.
I think I vastly improved your slime. You're welcome.
Wow, Aaron, you are truly horrible. But Anna, you still have time to recover from this, so you guys have 5 minutes and time resumes now.
Halloween is coming up pretty soon. I'm gonna get charmed. So I'm gonna go for a cursed Mickey vibe because that's all I can do now. I mean, who doesn't love Halloween? Ooh, black hearts. That's cute. I feel like that's actually how Mickey would dress up as Halloween. I have the perfect little red charms. It looks like blood. And then I have a bunch of little spooky little cats. And then I have one really good cat right here. Some black hearts, give it some sparkle. I think we're done. Spooky Mickey.
And I felt really good in the moment, and then Christian made me feel bad about myself. It feels like she's recovering really well, so I don't even know if it was worth it. But fundamentally, I think I have a better slime, so I don't think it's gonna matter in the long run.
Time is now up. I'm glad that you guys finished your slimes because we have a tough judge coming up.
My name's Dirty Dan, and I'm back, baby.
Welcome back, Dan. It's great to see you again. So my inspiration for this slime is my childhood. Here, this is the Grand Canyon. These are the almond slices my dad used to put on the really bad pancakes that he gave us for breakfast. These are tiny, unsatisfying pancakes to make you like hate yourself a little bit. This is sugar-free syrup, and this is Whip.
Well, I see why you call them very bad pancakes that your dad used to make.
Yeah.
Because who puts almond slices on pancakes?
Exactly.
Well, that's a little weird. Do you like this swirl? It kind of reminds me of like some kind of ice cream sundae.
Like the Grand Canyon? That's what you meant?
Where did that come from?
It's the Grand Canyon.
The Grand Canyon is not important here. We're talking about pancakes.
Yeah, but you eat pancakes at the Grand Canyon.
I feel like that's a pretty unique experience to you.
Yeah,
no?
it is. These are my unique pancakes.
Okay, well, it doesn't relate to me at all. I can tell it's a pancake, so that's a good start. But almonds and jelly beans, I mean, what are we doing here?
So this is an art piece. So the almonds are a commentary on what I didn't want to eat as a child, and the jelly beans are a commentary on what I wish I could have eaten. Kind of supposed to move you emotionally.
I'm sort of an artist myself, and
Yes.
from what I can tell, this ain't no art. But it's pancakes, so it has a passing grade for now. Let's see the other one.
This was what my dad used to make me when I was a little girl. He would always make me Mickey Mouse shaped pancakes, but it's cursed now because Aaron put some blood on it. But you know what? I know you love Halloween, so I made it Halloween Mickey Mouse themed.
It's a Mickey Mouse pancake, but it's like you're giving me horrific vibes towards the childhood. Why have you gone and taken my childhood memory of beautiful Mickey Mouse pancakes when you go to Disney World and made it all evil and spooky?
Because it's Halloween Disney, you know?
What are you doing here? You trying to give kids nightmares? If you asked 1 million people what their favorite holiday is, I can guarantee you not one will say Halloween. It's always Christmas. Maybe if you're religious, it's Easter, not Halloween. I'm sorry, I can't even look at it. All right, look, we have one clear winner here, and it's obviously not gonna be Mickey. So, see you later, Mickey. Aaron wins.
This is rigged!
I needed a win. Looks like I won, like I obviously knew I would. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week.
Like and subscribe.